Mga best mga bye. Sorry we have not vlogged for about 2 weeks now because we have been busy on our recent project, which is
No. Oh, my hair tie's gone.
nopostcode.com. So it's our website where we post travel vlogs. Nope. We post travel blogs,
Nope.
aka travel guides on all the waterfalls and cool places that we visit.
We actually tell you how to get to places, you know?
But now we are here back in Amlan. We're gonna go take some motorbikes and go up into the mountains and find another waterfall, so ta-da.
Coffee first.
All right, rolling out.
Just stay with me and make it worth your while. Make it worth your while.
What happened?
Patay!
Patay ang
Motor!
motor. Timalas.
What's that?
Back in business, baby. Let's go. Whoa! Woo!
Make it worth your while. In sunlight with the night, I'll make it worth your while.
Focus.
We won't hide in the crowd.
So I'm walking. Walking again. I thought this was going to be an easier drive, but I think it's possibly worse. But it's okay because we're having fun. Woo! And they just keep going. Oh, it's so rocky. Ow. But apparently the waterfall is going to be very taas, and there's a place to swim. Anyway, goodbye.
Dang, this is beast. Okay. Good luck.
Good luck. Walking again. Oi!
Where is the waterfall? Where? She's Zoe down. Where?
Where is the waterfall?
Nice grass. Dang. What a nice place. Yes. I think we arrived to our hiking spot.
We are not here yet, but we're somewhere.
Marlon, what's the name of this waterfall?
Naibid.
Naibid?
Naibid waterfall.
Naibid Waterfalls. Goes diving once. Oh shoot, is that Marlon's wife? Okay. So one of our friends just slipped down there. So Marlon, being the prepared man that he is, brought some rope, making a little handrail for us. Oops, sorry. Bugat ni. Nahinay.
Okay. Hold. Okay, pass all right.
Okay, pas alright. Dalamok loves Zoe. Si Zoe ang akong repellent kay. Basta kuyog na ko siya, hindi sila mamaak na ko. Baboy! Imo ni? Imo na?
Ready for lechon?
Lechon on imo?
Yeah. Lechon de leche. Lechon de leche.
Ayaw, lechonon kay cute kayo. Ano yung mga baboy ni Rogelio? Rogelio. Di ko naman na si Rogelio, taga diri lang siya. Niagi mi sa iyang balay. Magkuyog jud siya kay nindot daong falls, no? Tsada kayo. Guwapo. Guwapo pa sa uyab ni Zoe. Wale?
Wala.
Habe. Kulban ka? Kulban ni siya. Kapoy na.
Wala yung kulbaan dyan.
Gutom po. Tingay siya kaon.
Yeah, you wanna eat my marang again? Eat my marang again?
Sige lang.
You did it.
So graceful.
What do you have to say to your fans?
Ako pa.
It's blurry. There, it's good.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two. Playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you.
Sige, so diri sa akong likod ang primero na falls. Pero naay mas dako pagyud daw sa unahan. Murag tulo ka falls sa unahan. Bay?
Tulo.
Tulo pa ka falls sa unahan. Pero gwapo ni sa tanawon, walay basura, sagbot lang. Natural man, so pwede kayo.
Don't leave your basura here.
There's no basura here.
Yeah.
If you come here,
In future, you know? If you come here.
we know it's you because karon walay basura. Bantay ha, bantay ni Ma'am Joy kay isog man. Alright, they're tying this rope to another tree. Super steep. This is some serious teamwork going on right now. What is in your hand?
It's a contraption. Look, I pull.
No way.
I push.
Marlon has you hooked up. Literally.
Literally.
That's hilarious. That's awesome. Fighter kayo sila ni Tita kay sila ang leader sa grupo. Wala gyud may agyanan.
Okay.
Nice.
Han.
May daghan. Tag 5 na lang. Is it good? Mura siya jackfruit.
Kung may Bisayang hilaw, may Bisayang nangka.
Bisayang.
Okay.
Sige, so gikan mi diha. Padung mi sa ubos. Dito daw ang taas na falls. Sige, so bago mi maligaw dire sa taas na falls, magkaon sa mi kay gutom na sila.
Gutom sila, gutom.
Gigotom, mulay kusog, basta white rice.
Basta may rice, wala, gutom.
What do we got here?
Prechon.
Prechon? Ayaw ano? Prechon? Kami man? Sige, muambak na siya. Ready? Sure ka na lalom? Uy.
What are you doing?
Alright, we're gonna send up the drone. Might get caught in one of these trees. That's why we're filming it, in case something bad goes wrong.
Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all up, when I'm with you, I'm with you. Pink sky ride, going faster, getting wilder. Don't care if I get out alive. You feel that beat getting harder, floating on it. We're rebels, at least for tonight. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care.
Rogelio! Sige, so humana kami sa falls. Unsay pangalan sa falls?
Naibid.
Naibid? Naibid Falls. Humana mi dito. Manawag na mi. Stigang view.
Hey.
Diskarte. Walay gyapon. Sige, tara. Ita, hasta Padong, Robinsons. Shopping na ta. Where are we?
We're at, I don't know.
Camp Wagi.
We're at Camp Wagi.
One of the counselors of Amlan owns this and invited us for some lunch.
Oh, and he's got the nicest dog ever. Lloyd!
Alright, this is our setup. Kinilaw. Kanon, bugas na giluto.
Bisayang manok.
Bisang manok.
Kau bang Bisayang Hilaw?
Beef stick. And kinilaw usab.
Luto na si Cons.
Ikaw nagluto.
Siya nagluto.
Grabe, salamat kayo.
Sige.
Excited na mi kay gutom kayo.
Is this halang-halang?
Not so much.
Gamay ra.
Mild ra, mild ra.
Mild.
Try.
Try lang.
Sige.
Sige, ikaw na ta. Sam, ikaw na kay. Kapag may gutom ka. Nana si Erwin Y. Nga no, wala ka ni kuyog na mo karon.
Na ako'y gitrabaho.
Grabe, sige siya kuyog sa iyang oyab. Oh, wala siya time para namo.
Lawan wala.
Grabe.
Bayan na lang ko lang.
Ang kuya ba na kada lungsod?
Kada lungsod. Dagana eh. Dapat usara, di ba? Usara. Sige, so karon muli na kami. Nagpasalamat jud mi sa among mga sa among barkada dire. Basta ko pa naman sila. Adventure kayo. Ayos. Dive if she's dove once. Cause everyone. Sige, so salamat sa pagtanaw.
Og amping mo, tara!
Woo! Yeah, buddy.
We own the sun, Naibid Falls.